This video, Quant is making moves because a lot has happened in the past few days. So now let's just jump right into the charts. So right now, actually, again, if you've been following the channel, I've been stating this a couple of times that the bottom for Quant or for this downtrend could already be potentially in. Now, I'm not saying that we're gonna go up from here already, but what I'm saying is, of course, there is a chance that Quant may head down even lower, forming a lower low right here. However, what I'm saying is right now, we are at the ideal prices right now. We're trading at the ideal price. So buying at this price right here wouldn't hurt you a lot because, again, we have just approached the vicinity of this major support zone. I believe I've been saying this in my previous videos. I said that uh, previously, this was major resistance. This green box was major resistance. We broke out of it, and I said I am expecting a retest of previous major resistance. Now flip to support before continuation to the upside. So right now, again, we haven't touched the support zone just yet, but we may start to turn around right here earlier than most of us are expecting. But again, it's possible that Quant may dive deeper into the support zone, forming a lower low before continuation to the upside. Yes, it's definitely possible. We're not rejecting that, but what I'm saying is right now it is actually a good price for us to turn around. So just warning you about that. And also, we just broke out. Take a look. We just broke out of this falling wedge right here. So right now it looks like we may be having a retest of the falling wedge before continuation to the upside. Or however, we can also say that Quant may still be inside of this falling wedge. So we still haven't broken the structure of the falling wedge. I guess you can definitely say that right now we are still inside of the falling wedge. Or if we look at my previous illustration of the falling wedge, I guess you can say we have already broken out of it and now we're ready for higher prices again. So yep, based on the charts, it looks like we have already completed this entire ABC wave correction, and now we are definitely ready to pump to the upside. We're ready for more gains. However, again, I'm not disregarding the fact that Quant may definitely form a lower low right here, diving deeper into the support zone. That is completely possible. I'm not saying that that's not possible. So you know, nothing is guaranteed in the price right here. We can definitely go lower, but what I'm saying is right now it is a good price for us to turn around. So basically, now let us move into the daily time frame. Right now in the daily time frame, we're also looking very good. We have touched, take a look at this, we have touched the EMA ribbon. Now, as all of you may know, during this uptrend, the EMA ribbon is going to be acting as support. So every time we rally towards the upside and we start to dump to the downside, always take a look at the EMA ribbon because that's where the price will most likely find support after a massive pump. So once we touch the EMA ribbon, we're ready for another pump to the upside. Basically, that's how it works. But again, if we do fail to hold the EMA ribbon and fall below the EMA ribbon, that's a different story. That basically means that we may be starting a longer downtrend. So if we fall below the EMA ribbon, that means that we may be witnessing a longer downtrend that may last for weeks or months. But as long as we stay above the EMA ribbon, everything is in check and we're good. So now let us move to the weekly. Nothing much has changed as well in the weekly. This time we have also flipped the EMA ribbon in the weekly time frame to support. So take a look at this. We broke below the EMA ribbon right here, had a retest of the EMA ribbon, and had a long-term downtrend. And then right now we broke out of the EMA ribbon, and now we flipped it as support right here. So this means that in the long term we're also looking pretty bullish, and we're poised to see higher prices for the Quant price. But of course, let us talk about this inverse head and shoulders pattern, which we have broken out of, because I haven't talked about this inverse head and shoulders pattern in the weekly for a couple of videos now. So let's talk about the inverse head and shoulders. So again, we broke out of the inverse head and shoulders. That definitely is a bullish thing. But right now, there are either two scenarios. One, again, is we can either have a retest of the neckline, meaning we're going to go deeper down to the prices that range from $120 to $130 before continuation to the upside, we may have a retest of the neckline before continuation. Of course, that is also a possible thing. I'm not denying that. So obviously now, what is the target again? I'm just reminding you what is the target of this inverse head and shoulders. The target of this inverse head and shoulders to the point of breakout is a pump to $320. And from the price we are at right now, we have about 100% increase to the upside left. So basically everything is still looking good for the quant price, both in the short term and in the long term. So yes, definitely a good sign. We have already completed the ABC wave correction. We can definitely head down lower, and that means that the C wave is not yet complete, and we can drag it right here. But I guess right now you can say that the ABC wave is already completed, and we are now ready to look for higher prices for the quant price, basically. So if you guys agreed with what I'm saying right now, be sure to drop a like into this video, like this video right now, and if you're new, subscribe. It only takes 1 second of your time to press that subscribe button. And guys, be sure to right now join my Discord server. I post daily market signals and updates, and you can also talk to the people in the server with the same likes as you. Follow my socials, follow my Twitter, Instagram. I just created a TikTok account, and basically that's it. So watch this video that is being displayed on the screen right now.